Namaste. This video is about the energy healing process where we are using processes like past life regression, NLP, neuro linguistic programming, which changes the way your mind absorbs and gives out information. Then we are doing theta healing, which is advanced DNA to theta healing, which affects the way you are responding, the impulses which you are using from your body, and your willpower, your confidence, all are increased by theta healing. Then we are using pranic healing, which is working on energy circuits and neuro pathways of the body and your aura cleansing. Then we are using Reiki, which is taking energy directly from the sun god, and it is helping you clear the energies in the body from within. So you have to be careful in energy healing that you come at a stage where the disease is not fatal, because if it is a fatal disease, the healing will not work. Also, you have to work. You have to come in a way in which after the session you are in a positive atmosphere that you can go and sleep. If you are abused or hit, or if you drink alcohol after the session, again the healing will not work. So healing takes around 3 to 4 hours, and you are not supposed to see videos the night before. You have to be relaxed the night before, whether you sleep or not. You have to eat a very heavy lunch, because it is a very deep exercise of the mind, like going to a mental gym. It's like a gym, and it's at least a 3-4 hour sessions. Its healing can take up to 8 to 15 hours. In chronic depression, it can take 5 to 10 sessions, but it really works. It makes you feel much healthier than before, much more positive than before, but you have to follow the instructions given in the session. If your mind is bigger than if your ego is bigger than the instructions given by your spirit guides, and if your ego says that all that is useless and what I think is the maximum, then you only get answers, you will not receive the healing. But to receive the healing, if you are surrendering to God, and if you are paying sufficiently given your income, because if you pay less given your income or given your expenses, if your usual expenses are high but you are paying less for healing, then you are karmically creating loss for yourself, and you will not receive healing. But if you are paying as you usually pay for something valuable, then your healing happens, and it has a very deep and positive effect in your life. So you have to respect the healing as you respect something valuable before you come for the session, and you have to be prepared to invest your time, energy and effort with faith that the session will work for you. And usually, doctors and computer operators have very good session, because their mind is very logical and they can understand movement of energies more than astrologers, because astrologers are working on evidence like dates, time and planets. But this is direct energy intervention, which doctors do in allopathic. So doctors have very good sessions usually, and you can have miraculous results in the session if you are coming with the right mindset that this is a spiritually scientific session, and whatever happens is spiritually scientific, because you don't have direct evidence for it, but you are scientifically working, because there is a cause, there is a path, and it works each and every time. So the hypothesis is there that this is the reason for the problem. The hypothesis is proven by the session. The session shows you that this was the reason for the problem, or it is changed and some other life comes which is the reason for the problem. Then we arrived at a theory that this is the reason for the problem, and then we arrive at a problem solving solution through Akashic records or guidance from spirit guides or future progression. And then we see how the problem, or re-scripting the past life, then we see how the problem can be solved in your present life, so that your present life is better. So it is an energy healing process which requires a lot of meditation, 4 to 5 hours meditation I have to do daily for these sessions, and we can just take one session in 3-4 days these days, because it is a very very intensive session. But you will also feel drowsy, more relaxed after the session. You have to rest, and you will realize that your life has become much more positive than before, simply by following the instructions given after the session. So the healing can be sometimes miraculous. if you are not satisfied, it is only if you have paid less compared to your normal expenses, because then your subconscious mind rejects the healing. So if somebody is earning 4-5 lakhs and pays the same amount as somebody who's earning 40,000, then the person who has a 40,000 session will have a miraculous session, but the person who's earning 4-5 lakhs and said he's earning less, he will not be satisfied with the healing. That happens, that the subconscious mind knows when you are speaking the truth and when you are speaking lies, and it responds accordingly. So your healing happens when you are speaking the truth and when you are paying to God as you would pay to a merchant for something valuable. So I am only a channel of God, and I have to receive and give out again. So we have to give in places where God wants us to pay for positivity to spread on earth. So whatever you are paying is for positivity to be spreading on earth, and that is your karmic contribution. And if your karmic contribution is correct, definitely your suffering reduces, and positivity and soul lessons and meditation and a path to salvation or nirvana can also come up. Thank you.